No contact isn't just about silence. It's about severing access. It's the moment you stop allowing someone to reach into your mind, your emotions, and your nervous system whenever they feel like it. And if you've ever been entangled with a narcissist, you already know how difficult that decision is. They spent so long convincing you that you needed them, that life without them would fall apart, that walking away would somehow destroy you. Choosing no contact is an act of defiance against that programming. It's you reclaiming your power, your boundaries, and your peace. At first, the quiet feels unreal. No chaos, no manipulation, no emotional whiplash, just stillness. But that stillness is unbearable for a narcissist. Their entire world is built on attention, control, and emotional supply. When you remove yourself, you don't just leave, you shatter the illusion they've been living in. Being ignored doesn't bruise their ego, it threatens their identity. Initially, they'll pretend they're unbothered. They'll perform happiness loudly. Social media posts, mutual friends, forced smiles, all designed to make it seem like your absence means nothing. That performance isn't for the world. It's for you. They want you to doubt yourself, to feel replaceable, to wonder if leaving was a mistake. But behind the mask, panic starts to creep in because control is slipping and they can feel it. The longer you stay no contact, the more desperate things become. When provoking you doesn't work, when baiting you fails, they feel something they can't tolerate: irrelevance. Narcissists cannot stand being unseen. Silence becomes a mirror, and what they see reflected back is emptiness. That's when the hoovering begins. Out of nowhere, a message, a call, an apology that sounds almost convincing. They'll act changed, enlightened, wounded. They'll say what you always wanted to hear. Not because they've transformed, but because they want access again, control again. When charm fails, guilt follows. When guilt fails, anger erupts. Accusations, smear campaigns, emotional outbursts. Chaos becomes the weapon. If none of it works, something cracks. Prolonged no contact forces them to confront a reality they avoid at all costs. They no longer own you. This can trigger narcissistic collapse. Victim narratives intensify. New supply is hunted aggressively. Internally, there's confusion, rage, and an identity fracture. Without someone to dominate or drain, they don't know who they are. And here's the truth they never want you to understand. Their collapse is not your responsibility. Their pain is not proof you were wrong to leave. It's proof that leaving worked. No contact isn't about punishing them. It's about protecting yourself. Every day you stay silent, you grow stronger. Every boundary you hold rewires your sense of self. They can't handle your growth because it exposes their stagnation. And the more you heal, the less power they have, until eventually, none at all.